Just like we did a couple weeks ago. You gotta get used to seeing these things coming. He's striking you, he's hitting me, it's too much. You gotta come up, come up. See how my leg stretches? And I'm short. You can do that real tall. You can do that a mile away. Okay? Any questions? Everybody's saying how it loops. And I'm hiding it. But if you're afraid of it, if he's hitting you too much, just hide your head a little bit. Keep driving. He's gonna naturally be hips away. And he should anyway. If his hips are real close to you, then you can just body lock him. But he'll naturally be away like that. Right here he's grappling though. Can you tell? He's not trying to hit me. So if he's still trying to hit me, he's dead. See, so he's far away. I know he's far away. So when I go, I'm going to go real wide. Because I got to make up that difference. Because I know his hips and his feet are a little further out. Just really stretch it out. Commit to it, you'll be fine. If he's grappling with me, then he'll be pretty far away. It might be a little harder here. I can still do it if I can. Right here I got it. Right here, because I know I can reach that way. Right there I got it. But if he's just striking here, right here, he's upright, and then it's easy. Because he'll be up here hitting you more versus trying to